Hey guys, Joanne here with Newegg TV. I'm here to do an overview on this Rosewill Illuminated mechanical gaming keyboard, the RK-9000BRI, which comes with Cherry MX brown switches, and it also comes in the Cherry MX blue version. Couple things to note before getting into the box. This is the Cherry MX brown version. That means you get the light, tactile, non-clicky feel type of keys, and you get 50 million clicks of life cycle. One more thing, it also comes with a 6-key rollover. That means you can press 6 keys simultaneously. Here's what comes in the box. We have the keyboard itself, which I will talk about in detail in just a little bit. But first, you do get your user's manual and about 6 feet of braided cable. You also get 2 gold-plated USB 2.0 connectors. This one powers your keyboard, and this one will illuminate it. One more thing. This keyboard does come with a USB hub with 2 USB 2.0 ports. I have the keyboard plugged in and all lit up for you. It is a standard QWERTY keyboard with a number pad, and you also get this function key to access alternate commands with your F keys, such as, let's do function in F9 to toggle through your 3 different lighting modes, and F11 to dim your backlighting and to brighten it. Now let's flip it over to the back. We do have some rubberized feet to keep your keyboard in place when in use, as well as 2 that you can angle. So one last thing, I have this keycap removal tool here with me. I'm just going to take off the W here to give you a look at your Cherry MX brown switches. Now one last thing, let me just replace this key here, is the sound test. So I'm just going to type, Newegg is awesome! That wraps up our overview on this Rosewill Illuminated mechanical gaming keyboard, model RK-9000BRI. I'm Joanne, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to our Newegg YouTube channel. Thanks for watching Newegg TV, and we'll see you next time.